Okay, so here is the shoulder strap, and here is the infamous green foam. And always the challenge is how to get it in here using either the plastic bag method or whatever. But here's my solution. I take the already turned shoulder strap and I just gather it up and I'm just basically going to turn it inside out again and turn it right back on itself, just about halfway. Carefully not to turn it so that I know which ends up. And then just pull this piece back over top of it again. Okay, so now it's kind of just folded that way. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other end. Just gather it and just go back over the top of all of it. So now instead of a huge tube I've got to go through, I've got a very narrow tube. Okay. So now I've got this really narrow little tube. In part of it's inside out and part of it's right side out. So now, if I can remember which way the curve goes, which is that way, which is that way, I'm going to take this, and now I can even reach my fingers all the way through. Take my foam, squish it down, and actually get in there and reach the foam and just pull it straight through. There we go. And just pull it right along. Yeah, now I've got it at both ends, and now it's really easy to just pull it down to about halfway. So now I've got the foam at both ends. Now all I have to do is undo this end, and hopefully it'll be going in the right direction. So I'm just going to fold this end back, making sure my seams are staying on the side. Okay. And so far so good. There's my other piece underneath. Look at that, going in the right direction. And now all I have to do is I can also adjust here, because it's actually pretty easy to pull, to make sure I have the right allowance at this end for putting the buckles on. So now that I've got the right amount here, really, all I have to do is pull this right out, and now my is inside. And that took 3 minutes and 14 seconds. There you go.